Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Tomorrow is Mother's Day and I have three very special women in my life that I bought Mother's Day gifts for. If you can tell by the title of this video, I bought 3LL bean boat and totes. I bought one for my mom, my sister-in-law, and my sister. Tomorrow we're going to be celebrating Mother's Day together. And as I get older, I want to give gifts that are a little bit more sentimental and a little bit more meaningful. I think we're at the age now where people can buy their own gifts. People can buy things that they like generally. And so I got them customized boat and totes, and I thought that would be a really special gift. They can take these bags to work, to church, to the gym, or just for whatever they want to use them for. So I picked out three different colors and I want to share those with you guys. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this now and see what we got. I have not seen them yet, so fingers crossed that everything came out. Oh my gosh, they're here. They look so good. So here's 1, 2, and 3. So let me go ahead and move this out of the way. You guys, I am already obsessed with these. I only have the mini or the small. I think it's the mini. I made a video about this not too long ago and people said that I had the mini version of the LL Bean Boat and Tote, but then someone had said I had the small. And so I'm not exactly sure on what size I have, but this is the, I don't know, I think this is the medium. Let me double check. So yes, I bought 3 medium totes with the shorter handle and each one got embroidered. So let's go ahead and open up the first one. These are so cute. I haven't got one for myself and I think now I'm gonna go ahead and buy a medium-sized tote for myself. So this is the first one in the green color. I got this embroidered for my sister-in-law, and it is just the green color with the short handles. If you guys can see that, I'm trying to expand it a little bit. Here is the green boat and tote with the embroidery on it. I just used whatever recommended color was on the LL Bean website. And I just did in her name, it was just a regular font. It was $10 extra to embroider. And this is the medium size. And honestly, I thought that the medium size was gonna be a lot bigger, which is why I never considered getting the medium size. But this is actually a really decent size to carry many different things. So this is the green one with the green stitching on it. That is what the inside of the bag looks like. There are no inside pockets or anything like that, and it's just one big open space. You can get one with a zipper, but I just got them the one that's open. I think a bag organizer or purse organizer in here would probably be ideal, but this is what the green one looks like, you guys, and honestly, it is more beautiful in person, and I hope that they really like these gifts. Next, I bought one for my mom, because of course I can't forget my mama bear. I love my mom. She is the greatest mom ever. Of course, we all think that about our moms, but really she is an angel. And I got her the classic blue color. I didn't know what color to gift everyone. I thought maybe I would just go with their personalities. I feel like my mom is a little bit more classic. And so I felt like the classic boat and tote color was naturally going to be blue. This is what the blue one looks like. And as you guys can see, her name is Carmen. And again, I just went with the recommended font color that was on the LL Bean website. There are many different colors, you guys. It's almost overwhelming how many colors there are to choose from. So I didn't want to mess up the bag or make it look funky in any kind of way. So I just went with the recommended font color that was listed, and I just went with the basic lettering. There are like cursive and I think like another bold one and like a tiny one, but I thought I would just go with the regular standard font. And of course it is the blue trim. It is the same as the green one on the inside. And so I love this bag, you guys. I think it is so pretty. I know I said that about the last one and it's identical, but the quality of these is amazing. It's amazing. And last but not least is my sister. And unfortunately with hers, I didn't realize when I put in the font that I did all capital letters, but I don't think it looks bad. And for my sister, I got the pink one because I just feel like she's like a big girly girl and she loves pink and all things girly. And I loved this color. And this is what the pink one looks like. As you can see, hers is different. Hers is in all capital letters, but I think it looks really cute. And with the pink font, I will say there were many different shades of pink. And the one that I went with was a rose pink, and it didn't look like it matched on the actual website, but that was the recommended font. And I'm glad that I went with it because it literally looks to be an exact match to this pink trim right here. And so I think it turned out really cute. And I actually kind of like the capital letters. I think it's very cute. I wanted to give you guys the total for all 3 of those with the customization. I paid $162.21, and that's after tax. And so each one cost me $39.95, which looking at it now, I think that is a good price. I initially thought the bag was going to be a lot bigger. I don't know why I thought the medium was going to be huge. And then you do have the option of the shorter or the longer handle, but I just went with the shorter handle. I don't know if that was a good choice or not because I don't have it, but I hope that they get to enjoy these bags. And so with the monogram, it was a $10 additional, so it made the bag in total $49.95 for each bag. I do hope that they like their gifts tomorrow. This video might go up tomorrow after I give it to them, or maybe on Monday, because my sister-in-law does watch my channel, and so obviously I don't want to spoil the surprise for her. But I think these bags, especially Boat and Totes, anything customized in general, is going to make a really special gift for anybody. Birthdays, graduations, holidays, because I feel like they're very thoughtful. And it's not every day that somebody gives you a gift with your name embroidered, and so I feel like it makes it that much more special. And I feel like it lets people know, hey, this isn't last minute. Like, I actually thought of you, and I thought this gift would be perfect for you. So just something to keep in mind if you were looking for a gift for a loved one. LL Bean Boat and Totes are a great, thoughtful gift. That concludes my video, you guys. I do want to thank you guys for watching. If you did like this video, I do ask that you please consider subscribing, give my video a thumbs up, or drop a comment down below. As always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.